This supplement was gifted to me by the brand, so let's talk about what it is and how you use it. This is a 15-in-1 supplement from NutriHarmony, and the main ingredient is berberine with 250 milligrams in each capsule. It also includes Ceylon cinnamon, turmeric, bitter melon, hawthorn berry, gymnema, apple cider vinegar, and honestly a ton of other stuff that's really good and designed to support your overall health. This formula is designed to support general metabolic wellness, support your energy and heart wellness, but individual results can vary, of course. Now, let me show you what the capsule looks like. So I personally love when supplements come as capsules. I just find them so much easier to swallow. And I really appreciate how in this formula that there's so much combined into one capsule instead of needing to purchase and keep track of several separate supplements. So these capsules are vegan, they're non-GMO, and the brand states that each one is third-party tested for microbiology and heavy metals. The suggested use is to take 1 capsule per day with water before a meal or as directed by your doctor, of course. So this bottle is compact. The ingredient list is clearly printed on the back so you can see everything that is included, and the 1 capsule serving keeps everything super simple. It's a convenient option for anyone looking for a multi-ingredient supplement without having to manage several different bottles.